Good afternoon, students. Today's topic is human circulatory system. Human circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels, and the blood. It is the heart. Our heart is a muscular chamber. Four chamber is there, two auricle and two ventricle. And the blood vessels, three types of the blood vessels are there. This is artery and this is the vein, and in between artery and vein, this is the capillary. This is the capillary. So, three types of the blood vessels are present. It is artery and it is the vein, and this is the capillary. And the blood. The blood is a fluid connective tissue. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. And the blood consists by the plasma and the blood cells. This is the red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Three types of the blood cells present, and the plasma. So blood consists plasma and the blood cells. Blood cells are the three types. RBC, this is the RBC. Then WBC, this is the WBC, and this is the platelets. These are the platelets, and this is the blood plasma. So this is the blood. It is the heart. Heart present in our thoracic cavity in between two lungs. These are the lungs. These are the lungs, and in between two lungs, here the heart present. Heart contains four chambers, two atrium or two auricle and two ventricle. These are the auricle and these are the ventricle. Two auricle. This is the right atrium or right auricle, and this is the left auricle or left atrium, and this is the left ventricle, and this one right ventricle. Any problem? So here it is the heart and it is the thoracic cavity. So where the heart present? In our thoracic cavity in between two lungs. And the heart, how many chamber? Four chamber. How many chamber? Four chamber. Right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, and the left ventricle. So four chamber is there, and this is the ventricle, and ventricle wall is very thick than the auricle. This is auricle, and the auricle wall is not thick, thin layer, and this is the very thick layer. Any problem? So here it is the heart, and here the valve present in between auricle and ventricle. Here the valve present in between right atrium. This is right atrium and the right ventricle. A valve present here. This is, and this valve contains three flaps, like flaps. 1, 2, and 3. So three flaps. So this is called the tricuspid valve. So where the tricuspid valve present? In between the right atrium and the right ventricle. Very good. Then where the bicuspid valve present? In between the left auricle and the left ventricle. Here the valve present. This is called the bicuspid valve, and this valve helps the movement of the blood from the auricle to the ventricle and prevents the backflow to the blood. So these valves are very effective and it work to the one direction blood flow. For the blood flow only one direction. Okay. So here it is the heart present where in between the lungs in our thoracic cavity, and which wall is very thick? The ventricle wall very thick. And in between right atrium and the right ventricle, the valve present, this valve is called tricuspid, and the left ventricle and left auricle, the valve present is called the bicuspid valve. The valve in our heart allows the flow. This is flow of the blood only one direction and prevents the backflow. And this is the blood vessels. How many blood vessels? 3 types. This is the artery and this is the vein, and in between artery and vein, this is the capillary. So our circulatory system consists of heart, blood, and the blood vessels. Any problem from this topic? Okay, thank you.